My name is Maggie O'Hare. I'm the Associate Dean for Research and a professor in the College of Veterinary Medicine at the University of Arizona. Our work here is focused on studying the human-animal bond, so looking at how interacting with animals impacts human health as well as how it impacts the animal lives. We study many different areas of human-animal interaction, whether it be veterans with service dogs, facility dogs visiting pediatric oncology units in hospitals, or service dogs for families of children with autism. Our role is to bring the science behind the stories of benefits that people are seeing so that there's actual data to measure what's happening for these human and animal lives.
One of the things we focus a lot on in my research is working dogs. So we do work with assistance dogs being trained to help people with disabilities. We also do work with detection dogs that are used in law enforcement and military services. And one of the big challenges that we try to solve in that work is identifying dogs that have the most potential for success. And the financial costs of producing these dogs are incredibly high. And there's a real public health consequence of having only about half of the dogs succeed. So many times people with disabilities are badly in need of these dogs, but they face 1 to 2 year waiting list to receive a dog simply because there's a shortage of available high quality dogs. So a critical part of our mission is to develop tools that will allow us from relatively early in a dog's lifetime to identify the dogs that really have the most potential to succeed in these programs. And we try to understand a lot of things about the biology of these dogs, the psychology of these dogs that allow us to figure out really, what are the critical ingredients in creating a successful working dog.
So therapy dogs are, of course, all over our world. They are in almost every children's hospital, they're in airports, they're in every university and school. But the science behind exactly how they are benefiting people's stress and emotions is actually still in its infancy. We need more research to understand how therapy dogs, especially in these really clinical atmospheres like hospitals, are fitting into the larger picture of treatments and interventions for things like both mental health and physical health.
We are developing the world's largest group of human-animal interaction research faculty on the planet. For the first time, we are going to have human-focused experts, animal-focused experts, human-animal interaction experts together in one place to move this topic forward. Donor support is critical because this is a newer area. Historically, people haven't recognized how huge of an impact animals can have on human lives. So without that support, we're unable to conduct these studies, to create research opportunities for students, and to really change the way people see humans and animals and how those can help one another.